Hey guys, yes, it's that time of the year and I got my reindeers on. But anyway, happy to see you guys back. Welcome to my home, Mi Casa to Casa. Today I have a little random haul. And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt because I'm trying to make videos. It's my day off and I'm trying to show you stuff. But being that said, let me jump into Walmart first. So yeah, I don't need to show you this, but I picked up these and the only thing I'm showing you this, there were $14.99 or $13.99, and the only things that I'm showing you this is because I picked up two at Victoria's Secret with the same style, and guys, I paid $25 for it. So to me, that was a bargain to find those. So Victoria's Secret, I like you, but you know, only when I'm gonna please myself. Then I picked these. Can't show you that either, but it's a faja for those of you who don't know. And then I picked, and I think it was 8 and sale for $6. So, yeah, Mama gotta be, you know, pushing in her little rolls in. And then I picked up this little shirt, which I was gonna put on, but I needed to show you guys. So, has Santa all over, and it was like $6. And that's it for Walmart. Now I went to Ulta, guys, and I was so happy because I picked this up, and this is the Morphe translucent eyelid primer base, and it looks like this, the box, guys, and I think I paid $8 for it, like that, and that's how it looks like. You can barely see, but it's right here. And that's how it looks. Kind of matches my skin, so that's kind of cool. So I picked that up, and guys, I was happy to find this Morphe About Last Night palette, and it's 9N, and it has 9 eyeshadows for after dark action, and then it has from sleek mattes to sassy shimmers. You will bring the patty with this powerfully pigmented eyeshadow that will keep the night going on and on. Of course, I don't go out at night, but I still thought they were cute. And this is how they look. Ooh, blind you right there. This is how they look, guys. And I'm just gonna swatch that golden and that terracotta color and the plum color, which were this one, and this one were the ones that I swatched. And guys, this is how they look. Very pretty. Again, that's the palette, and that was $11. And that is that's not my haul, guys. One more thing. I was amazed to find this, and only for $7 at Aldi. So if you have an Aldi near you, please run, see if you can find these. But I got the Merry Moments 4-piece flameless LED candle set. And they bring 4 of them with a remote control, guys. And these puppies are scented. They smell like vanilla. So I got me for $7. Not 2. Wait a minute. But 3. So, yeah, guys. Can't beat that at Aldi's. Again, 4. And they are, let me see. I'm trying to, that said real scented wax, built-in 6-hour timer. Trying to see how high they are. So it requires a 1CR 2025 battery, which is included. Each candle requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. Long life flickering LED lights that last up to 100,000 hours. And each candle measures 3.0 inches times 6.0 inches. So can't beat that, guys. $6.99 of these. That is my haul for you guys. Random haul to say. So again, give this video a thumbs up, share with friends and family, subscribe if you haven't, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.